Hello, Algebra 1. So today we talked about the functions and looked at the domains, we looked at the ranges, we looked at the rise over run, we looked at the y-intercept, we looked at the slope and all sorts of other facts that you could give me on any of those functions. So we are going to continue that practice today, and what I would like, I'm going to try to write real big because I know the visual isn't that great, and I apologize for that, but I'm going to write larger, so hopefully this helps. But what I want for every function is I want to know the slope, and I want to know the y-intercept, and I would like 3 ordered pairs. So that's all I need. The slope, the y-intercept, and 3 ordered pairs for the following. So the first one is y equals 2x minus 1. The second one is y equals 3/2 x plus 6. The third one, f of x equals x plus 1. The fourth one, f of x equals a negative 2/3 x plus 1. And the fifth one, f of x equals a negative 1/2 times quantity x minus 2 minus 1. So that's all you need to do, the slope, the y-intercept, and 3 ordered pairs, and they will be due tomorrow. Thank you and have a great evening. Good job today, class. Bye-bye.